Welcome. In front of me is Nokia 5.3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the PIN code and you can't access your device. First thing you'll have to check is whether you're entering your phone's PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, as those two are oftenly mistaken for each other. And if you're sure that this is the PIN that you're trying to enter and this is the PIN that you entered the last time when you tried to access your phone, then the problem might be that the phone is simply lagging and you'll have to restart it. So just hold down the power key, select restart, let your phone reboot and try again. And now I hope that it helped you, but if it didn't, then the other solution, if you can't remember your password, is to reach out to Nokia customer support service, and explain your situation to them. If you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without needing to remove all your personal data and files. But if this solution is also not for you, then the only one remaining is to perform a factory reset or simply erase all data from your phone in order to regain access to it. So if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then you can access your device through your Google account, through using any other device, your laptop, tablet, and another phone if you have one, and just erase all data remotely. This will automatically perform a factory reset on your phone, and you'll be able to set up your device once again. But if you can't do that, then the only solution available for you is to perform a factory reset. You can do this through the recovery mode on your phone. We have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And I really hope it helps you. And I really hope that one of this solution helped. And if it did, please let us know in the comments. If you like this video, leave us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.